Hi, thanks for coming back. My name is Sylvia Gorenszach and I'm a Gel Moment independent distributor. I am quite obsessed with these magnetic polishes. I can't not stop watching little videos for inspiration, trying to figure out how to use them to create different looks. So I'm right back to creating something with this magnetic polish here. So this time I'm going to be doing a chrome ombre with a magnetic polish ombre, and I'm using these colors right here. So right now I have a coat of Sunrise Pink Gel Extend on here, and this is just for strength. Now this has the tacky finish when you finish curing it, so I had to use the alcohol wipe to wipe it off. When you do that, the chromes don't stick as well, so I'm just putting a coat of Tutti Cutie on top of these, and then we'll get to the next steps. So how about we get right to it? So I've done a coat of Tutti Cutie on here. It is fully cured, and now I'm going to open up my Zenith Chrome, which is the gold chrome, and just take a tiny little bit. You don't need very much. You're literally just dabbing a little bit because we're not doing the whole nail. I'm actually probably going to tap it off because it's probably too much. And I'm going to start rubbing it in until you get that glass look, starting at the base of the nail. And then as you're getting towards, you know what, I do need a little bit more. Okay. And as you're getting towards the middle of the nail, here I just want to make sure that's a full glass mirror look. Okay, now I'm going to be putting this on its side and dragging it down a bit to create kind of an ombre look. Now if you find that you have too much powder on here, because it's not going to be an ombre look on the way down, you can take your brush and just wipe off the excess off your nail. Take the side of it again. You could even take a side that is not, doesn't have too much product on, and rub in even further. Okay, now I'm taking this and just making sure that it's nice and covered around the cuticle and sidewall, and that's it. So now I'm going to take my brush and brush off any excess that we have here. Now I'm going to take Drawn to You, take a bit of polish and put it on the tip of the nail. So we're going to do this, cap the edge, and bring it up a bit as well, probably just shy of halfway up the nail, okay? Next, you can take your ombre brush or your fan brush and just guide a little bit up the nail to create an ombre look. The great thing about having the chrome is that you don't see the small imperfections. So if your ombre is not perfect, then it's gonna be okay. All right, next is the magnet work. So I have the round edge here that I'm going to be using on this multi-tool. I'm going to come in from the side and activate it, come in from this side and activate it as well. Okay, now I'm just playing around with this a little bit, and I have this tool on our mini wand, this magnet part, and I'm just going to go in just so that it creates that little glimmer when you move your nail around, right? So I'm just going in, you can see from the bottom on an angle. I'm gonna do from the top here too. There. And then we'll give this a cure. Now to finish off this look, because we do have chrome here that is not sealed, you will want to put a coat of Simply Clear Gel Extend, or Clearly Frisky, just to seal it in. Here it is. You too can do this at home. This looks like I went to the salon, and I assure you I am in my basement at my little 2x4 table doing my own nails. Thank you so much for watching. I would really appreciate if you would like and subscribe, and then you'll always know when I'm making my next video if you hit that notification bell. Ciao, ciao for now.